2 days ago, it was an extremely hurt Santosh Hegde who threatened to quit the Lokpal panel, telling Times that he was tired of the mudslinging. 24 hours later, when Santosh Hegde landed at the Delhi airport this morning, there was a marked difference. As the People's Panel announced that Hegde was staying on, they made one thing clear to their opponents, that they were united even if it was the fight against the alleged smear campaign.
The announcement was expected.
The committee resolved that Shri Santosh Hegde will continue to be an integral part of the movement.
24 hours after Lok Ayukta Santosh Hegde threatened to quit.
I don't make certain statements for the purpose of threatening people. Mr. Digvijay Singh found an inefficiency in my working. Nobody has complained in my 6.5 years as a judge.
Came the turnaround.
That they have requested me to continue, come what may be the allegations against anybody. I have accepted that and I have agreed to continue in the committee.
The drama that began with this jibe.
लोक आयुक्त का बिल कर्नाटक में है और सबसे बेहतरीन लोक आयुक्त वहां पर हैं, तो वहां का भ्रष्टाचार रोक क्यों नहीं पा रहे?
But then the drama shifted to the capital this morning as Anna Hazare arrived to soothe all ruffled feathers.
अन्ना हेगड़े साहब बोल रहे थे कि वो रिजाइन करेंगे।
आज फैसला हो जाएगा, कोई ठेस नहीं पहुंची, नहीं तो इतना भीड़ नहीं होना था।
डेलिबरेटली क्या है ये? अगर
ठेस पहुंचती तो मेरे पीछे इतने भीड़ नहीं होना था।
The onus clearly on him, even though Justice Hegde claimed to keep an open mind.
I never said I'm going to resign. I said I'm thinking of resigning and I'm going to Delhi to discuss this matter with my other colleagues.
But the Congress, despite its public posturing, really wasn't done with needling the Lokpal panelists. But even as the People's Panelists on the Lokpal committee announced public consultation dates in the hope of moving forward, the opponents' moves to trip the committee appear far from over. With Neeta Nair, Vikram Sawant, Times Now.